I have a shopping sickness. I have a sickness. Time for another installment of Sunday Savings. Sunday secondhand shopping savings, steal the deals, sustainable. We got part 2 of my RealReal unboxings. I loved everything I got in part 1. It was the Loewe, the 2 Loewe's, the lavender, and the black t-shirt, the oversized black t-shirt. Oh, and the Four Lepage pouch, which obsessed. Now we're doing part 2. What's in here? So we're gonna do that real quick. But of course, first we're gonna do our intro and we're gonna unbox it on TikTok. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, I'm a fashion freak, a luxury lover, a shopaholic, Shopaholique, and today we're doing a secondhand shopping steal video, Sunday savings from the RealReal. Secondhand shopping steal video, Sunday savings from the RealReal. Secondhand shopping steal videos, secondhand savings from the RealReal. I can't stop shopping. I cannot stop shopping. Shopaholic. Get some really good ones this time. Like I said, I just unboxed them on TikTok. Now we're gonna go through them, okay? First, we got this t-shirt. Didn't unbox this. This is actually for Andrew. It's from Marcelo Bourlon. It was like 80 or 100 bucks. We won't count that one because it's for Andrew. That we're gonna do last. That we're gonna do second to last. Okay, next, we get this silk t-shirt in green, in a light green. It's kind of the same color what I'm wearing. Silk Loro Piana. It was like 100 something, okay? And these normally go for like 600, so that's like a $500 savings right there, okay? Look at that Loro Piana. It's so soft. Steal of a deal. Come on, you guys. Loro Piana. All right. Next, we got, surprise, surprise, and our master. This is an old style pre-pocket. It's a gray-black color, and it was 82 bucks. It's a little see-through, it looks like. So I'm gonna have to wait till I'm a little skinnier to wear this. So or a little more muscular, so my nips and my six-pack can shine right through. But it was $82.50, and these are normally 400 plus in the store now. So let's say that's another $400 savings because tax and stuff. Then, I don't know how much these normally go for. I would say like at least $600 or $700. But this, I'm really excited about this one. This is a Balmain sweatshirt. It's a hoodie with a tail. Like the back is longer than the front. So it's got a little tail action going on, which I'm obsessed with because I love tails. I love capes. I love anything kind of droopy and it's camouflage. Camo in red. Red I love. And camo I love. I'm doing a lot of camo. Also, it's got gold hardware. Gold hardware! Are you fucking kidding me? I love this. This can match all my jewelry. Most of my stuff has silver hardware. Gold hardware. Win. This was $77, by the way. 77. Okay. And the last thing, this is really exciting. So I've been very made into pouches right now. You guys saw I unboxed that for Lepage. I have the Moignon pouch I'm using, my Goya pouches I use. I'm loving pouches. I'm loving putting things in a pouch and putting them in my bag. So everything is like organized and I know what's in what pouch and every pouch has its own purpose. And also then I can just take the pouch out and put it in another bag, depending on the size of the bag, right? This pouch I think can only go in my bigger bags, but that's okay. I have smaller pouches to go switch between bags. I don't know what this pouch is gonna be for yet, but it's still, I love it. Okay, so it's from the Fendi Monster collection and it's so nice. It feels so luxurious. It's very soft leather. It's a gray leather with the Fendi eyes. They still haven't taken the plastic off, so they're like perfect condition. They don't have any scratches on them. I will take those off, probably. I would take these off. I think I'm gonna take these off. I might not for the first bit, because I know that going in and out is probably gonna scratch them up, but those eyes, but I bet they look really pretty underneath. Okay, but they're gonna look really pretty when I take them off. It's like with my Hermes, I don't take the plastic off right away. But anyway, gun metal, zip pouch, so nice, canvas interior. This was like $300 or $400, or maybe $400. I don't know how much they normally are in the store, but I would assume more than that. She's beauty, she's great, she's Miss United States. I love this so much. It says Fendi Roma inside, a little leather thing, and also I can just wear this as a little clutch. Like I can literally, that's the thing I love about pouches, I can literally wear them as little clutches, carry my stuff, and like if I want to just take them out of the bag and don't take the whole bag, I can put all the essentials in there and just pop it in and go. It's got a little marking on the back, it looks like, but that's okay. And a little scratches, but I didn't even notice those, but whatever. That's gonna come with wear and tear. It's just like, you know, like a little bit of this, or a little bit of this, a little bit of this. You can even take it out at night. Let me know in the bottom what's your favorite thing I got and what's your least favorite thing. If you had a least favorite or a favorite. If you didn't have anything, just say something that you thought was medium, okay? Okay, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. That's all I got. I'm so excited. Okay, let me know what you think of this as well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Please smash the like button. Be sure with your friends and family. If you hated to share with your enemy exes. I know your time is valuable. I know your time is precious. I appreciate you spending your time with me. I'll see you guys in the next one. Okay, yay. We did it. Okay, bye.